Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. So today I'm showing you another program in Python, and that's a very simple program, that is how many digits are there in a number. So let me open my Visual Studio Code. So here you can see that I have taken a number from the user and storing it in X variable. I am initializing a variable c with 0, that is it is the counter variable. It will count how many digits are there in the number. Then in line number 3 you can see I am using a while loop, and inside the while loop I am checking whether the given number is greater than 0 or not. So the loop will run until it is greater than 0. Then what we are doing? We are segregating the digits and storing it in a rem variable. Here you can see the modulo operator. It gives us the remainder. Then we are incrementing the counter variable with 1. And in line number 6 you can see we are dividing the number with 10. In this way we will extract the digit in rem variable, and automatically in line number 5 in every iteration it will increment the variable c, which will give us how many digits are there in the number. And in line number 7 you can see we will print the number of digits. So let's run this program. Here it is coming, enter the number. As in line number 1 we have told to enter the number from the user. Now I will give the number, suppose 257. I am now pressing enter. You can see the number of digits are 3, because in 257 there are 3 digits. Total 3 digits are there in this number. So this is a very simple program. You all can try your machine. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Stay tuned to the next video.